visit the website, and you can see an advert at the beginning of the website header. So you can always click on the advert, tap on the advert so that you can copy the link, and then you scroll down, you see Get Canva Pro. Okay, you say visit to the web YouTube or click on Get Offer, then open on any ad in a new tab, wait 15 to 30 seconds, then copy the URL of the ad and paste it here to get your login details. Okay, you say okay. Now you enter a long link. Now all you need to do to click on Get Offer, and then you wait for some seconds, you copy the link, and then you click on Get Canva, then you copy and paste, you say okay. Alright, you allow the link to load properly, after which you copy all, and you copy all, then you go to your Canva, you open the Canva. Let me put this in desktop mode. So here you can see desktop mode. You can see cookie editor at the end of a Quillbot browser. Okay, I'm having network challenge here. All right, so I just want to see how you can be able to access cookies and login details from this website. All right, now you click on the triple dot if you are using phone, then you click on cookie editor. Now you click on delete. You click on delete. You click on delete. You click on delete. Then you click on import. You paste the cookie of copied and click on import again. Now cookie will have been created. All you need to do is to go back to your canvas and refresh. Okay, here it is. Your Canva Pro is ready. Okay, so that is how to copy cookies from venibest.blogspot.com and then go back to the website you wish to paste the link. Okay, so that is how to do it. Thank you.